Controlling down the wall, hit the racket.
Okay.
Control, control, control.
Good drill.
Oh,
Well,
tough. It's a tough skill. Especially once you start thinking about trying to hit it.
yeah. There's a lot of people that can probably make one shot consistently. But as soon as you start thinking about it, then it becomes a different ball game.
Yeah, good work. Good work to get out in front.
Or if you do like that 4-foot square box instead of the head of a racket, then you have.
Yeah, just I think that's the big thing to remember though for your squash, just to hit the service box, right, somewhere in that area. And then it adjusts depending on how cold or warm it is, right? If it's colder, it's going to be a little bit further back. If it's hotter, it's going to be a little further forward. You know, and this is just a general idea. And actual specific hand-eye coordination practice.
I might have to use some of the movies you guys downloaded.
Oh yeah.
For YouTube. When Geoscience comes around. Nobody knows what it is. Because we only did the 3 levels.
Right.
Players.
Right.
And yeah. Very well. I guess we call them beginner, intermediate, and advanced.
We certainly on our YouTube have a free lesson listed here on there already.
Yeah.
It's about how to hit the ball, and it's a free lesson listed here. It's uploading on the YouTube right now.
Okay.
For sure.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of them on there.
Oh yeah, 500 videos. Then specifically, there is one there with him doing a match for us, so that we can take pictures and do an online lesson specifically.
Okay. That's cool.
It's called Squash Instruction Basics, I think it's called.
Okay.
Can't quite remember the exact number. But for sure, it's up there in his hand.
Yeah, nobody knows what level they play.
Great. Have a look at
Like
this guy.
we had intermediate players last year that we actually had to move up to advanced because they'd still be that high C, low D player. But when you've got 60 people saying that they're all intermediate players, you've got 5 saying they're advanced, you're like, well,
Hey.
move people around a little bit.
Yeah, for sure. Woo! For sure.